Okay, I just want to show you really quick the process you'll go through in order to heat shape your muzzle for our upper jaw set. This one does not need to be heat formed. It actually fits perfectly well in the head. This is how it should be sitting in your head, but I just kind of want to show you the process. Make sure you wear some heavy duty gloves, whether it be leather or one of these guys, the kind of Kevlar gloves. Protect your hands from the heat because this will get hot. Your heat gun has a low and high speed to it. You'll be using the high speed or the high temp. You'll just turn it on, and what you do is just keep it moving. You just keep it moving along the plastic right here where the actual jaw set would sit. And you just go back and forth on left and right hand side, doing the inside first. And what I do is I take that metal tip and I keep bouncing it along the plastic as I'm heating it up, because you'll feel it like make a clack noise at first, and then that will turn into more kind of a rubber bouncy feel and noise. And you'll go on the outside and you'll just do this again, always keeping the heat gun moving. Don't let it sit in one spot for too long. You can also feel the heat kind of building up on your gloves. Even my glove is way over here, that heat's still hitting it because it's reflecting off the plastic like a wind tunnel. So you'll just keep doing this until the plastic gets nice and soft. If it starts cracking or smoking, stop. Let it cool off a little bit, otherwise you risk splitting the plastic. So just keep it moving like this. And just going back and forth. And then when it's nice at the right temperature, granted this one was not, but you'll stick your jaw set in. And then if it's too tight, you'll just slowly push it forward and it'll spread apart. If it's loose, then you take your hands on the outside and you just push it inwards in order to make it fit. And it should take a minimal amount of glue to hold this jaw set in place. Just make sure that you take an X-Acto knife and you scratch up the plastic along the top ridge here and on this inside section, and then also scratch up in here where all the shiny plastic is. Make sure you really score that up so you got something for that glue to hold on to. Otherwise it can be like snapped off or pulled off because it's such a slippery surface. I hope that helps.